I am here today to answer a Q&A. Q&A, not Q and Q. Let's get started. Come on, type yes. Yes. How is Greeley alive when he was literally in a volcano? Next question. Okay, thank you, Mikhailo7. Very pronounced it wrong. From Puff73. My question is, what is the best time in AJ you have had? My friends and I, my AJ friends, we used to do adventures all the time. That was so much fun. We would join them together. It'd be so fun. Next question. Are you a good artist? Yes. No, just kidding. I am not a good AJ artist. In real life, I mean, I don't know. Next question. Let's go to my dad. Next question. Do you like AJ Play Wild? It's okay. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's okay. Animal Jam rocks. Animal Jam rocks. Yes. Okay, this is not a question, but your silver spike and ad for a yellow. No, thank you. What is your favorite color? Orange. Next question. Are you red? Yes. Next question. Are you rares or unrare for the QQ, not A? I am so rares. You can be jelly of my rares. I am the rarest of everyone. So, rares. Now that has been addressed, next question. You are so cool. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Have a nice day. And, yeah, as always, bye!